Welcome to BA Publisher Basics and Beyond. In this chapter, we are going to look at dynamic tables. This is a simple way of building dynamic tables. It's primarily used for crosstabs. So I have another video which shows how to build complex dynamic tables. So it's mainly for crosstab. So before I continue, as always, there's a zip file down below this video. You would be able to download it and play with it to get yourself familiar. So our goal is to build a report something like this. So we have a test score range and we have the subjects. We're going to build something like this. So I'm not going to worry about the data extraction part. So here's our XML output looks like. So we have a test score table, and within the test scores there's a category, and we have a test score. So the category is theology, and the scores are a number of 20 students scored between 0 to 20, 37 scored between 27 and 30. So you get the point. So we will start with a simple template. We're going to create a template which we don't normally do. Like we have for each test scores and for each test score. So test scores are here, test score is here. So basically we would have we get an array of like. Let's go ahead and run this first. So I'm going to run this one. This is going to give an output like this. So for theology, we have for 20 students scored between 20 and 30. You get the picture now. So but this is not what we wanted to build. So we want the output to be to look like this, not in a straightforward way. So we are going to use a keyword called split column header and split column data test score. So we're going to say split column header test score and split column data test score. So these are the keywords that we're going to use. So split column data would provide the data for the split. So we're going to use the test score and number of students as the data. And so let's go ahead and start with this. So we can start with for each at test scores. We're going to build the category, the test category. Then we will build the split upon it. So here's the template. I'm going to, so I have a for each test score, test category, and test. Well, let's go ahead and run it. So we get the theology, the main subjects. So next we will do the row header splitting. So we're going to go to BA Publisher, field browser. We're going to say split column header test score. We're going to use the test score range as the header. Let's go ahead and test it out. This is a simple way to split the data if you did it. So far so good. We got the ranges. Now we need to add the values. Let's go ahead. So we're going to use the split column data. So we look at the field. So we're going to get the split data, number of students. So let's go ahead and run it. So we got what we need. So this is a simple way of building a crosstab table. So I mean, there are other ways to build it. So we'll look into those as we go. So we are continuing using the column. We're going to use the split by column header. So we're going to add the row split. So that's pretty much it for this chapter. This is the shortest chapter ever, and it's a simple way of splitting the data into multiple. It's a simple way of creating a crosstab. Thank you.